Now next point we are going to see is IUPAC nomenclature of substituted benzene. That is, we know the benzene, molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. But if any substituent is attached to benzene ring, then how the IUPAC names for this benzene is given. For example, first example. Now here this benzene is attached to chlorine. Therefore, name of this compound is chlorobenzene. Then here, benzene ring is bonded to NO2 group, that is nitro group. Therefore, it is nitrobenzene. Then third, this benzene ring is attached to iodine. Therefore, it becomes iodobenzene. Now, in this case, this benzene ring is attached to this tertiary butyl group. This is tertiary butyl group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atom, therefore it is butyl, and this carbon atom is tertiary because it is bonded to 3 another carbon atom, therefore it is tertiary butyl group. Name of this compound is tertiary butyl benzene. Then last one, this. Now here this benzene ring is bonded to Br. Now it is bromobenzene. In this way, some monosubstituted benzenes are named by adding the prefix of substituent, that is chlorobenzene, nitrobenzene. In this way, prefix of substituent is added before the name of benzene. Now, in this case, now some monosubstituted benzene have trivial or common names. Now, this is benzene ring which is attached to methyl group. Therefore, it is methylbenzene. But common name or trivial name of this compound is toluene. Toluene, toluene. Now, this one, here benzene ring is bonded to NH2 group, that is amine group. Therefore, it becomes aminobenzene. But trivial name of this compound is aniline, or common name is aniline. Now this, here benzene ring is bonded to hydroxy group, therefore it is hydroxybenzene. But trivial name of this compound or common name of this compound is phenol. Now this name of this compound is benzaldehyde. And this is benzoic acid. Since this benzene ring is bonded to carboxylic group, name of this compound is benzoic acid. And in this case, this benzene ring is bonded to C double bond OH group, that is formyl group or aldehyde group, therefore it becomes benzaldehyde. In this way, IUPAC names for monosubstituted benzene are given. These are some example. Now next point we are going to see nomenclature of monosubstituted benzene, in which if benzene ring is attached to alkyl group having 7 or more than 7 carbon atoms, then this benzene ring is taken as a substituent, and the alkyl group which contain more number of carbon atom is taken as a parent alkane. Now look here, that is, in this example, this benzene ring is taken as a substituent of this alkane. Now here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbon atoms. Therefore, this alkyl group have more carbon atom, that is 7 carbon atom, than that of benzene ring. Benzene ring possesses only 6 carbon atom. Therefore, this benzene ring is taken as a substituent as a phenyl group, and numbering is given to this parent alkane from the end which is nearer to the branching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Parent alkane becomes heptane, and at 2 position there is phenyl group. If one hydrogen atom from benzene is removed, then it becomes phenyl group. Therefore, it becomes 2-phenyl heptane. Now, this is second example. Now, in this case, this side chain have only 6 carbon atom. That is, both benzene and side chain have similar number of carbon atom. Therefore, name of this compound is given as hexyl benzene. Hexyl benzene. This is hexyl group and this is benzene. Therefore, hexyl benzene. Now, in case of some organic or aromatic compound or monosubstituted benzene, or in case of monosubstituted benzene, if benzene is attached to any alkyl group having functional group, then this benzene ring is taken as a substituent, and that alkane which possesses, or alkyl group which possesses functional group, is considered as a parent alkane. Now look here, this benzene ring is attached to CH2, 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 Cl. Now here there is presence of a functional group, that is chlorine, and this side chain or this alkyl group is attached to this benzene ring. Then this side chain or this alkane is taken as a parent alkane by giving the numbering from the end which is nearer to the functional group, 1, 2, 3, then it becomes 1, that is, this benzene is substituent, and this propyl group which is attached to chlorine, here parent alkane is propane, but at 1 position there is chlorine and at 3 position there is phenyl group. Alphabetically C comes first, therefore it becomes 1 chloro, 3 phenyl, propane. Name of this compound becomes 1 chloro, 3 phenyl, propane. Then next example. Now here also this benzene ring is attached to side chain which possesses functional group, that is OH group. Therefore, name of this IUPAC name of this compound is, that is, here there is only 1 carbon atom, therefore it is methane. Parent alkane is methane. Now 1 hydrogen atom from methane is replaced by OH group and 1 hydrogen atom from methane is replaced by phenyl group. Therefore, it becomes phenyl methanol. Name of this compound is phenyl methanol. Now here, common name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. Now fifth one. Now in this case, here this benzene ring is attached to COCH3 group. That is, there are 2 carbon atom and ketone group is present. Now here this parent alkane becomes ethane, but there is presence of ketonic group, it becomes ethanone, and here there is presence of phenyl group, therefore it becomes phenyl ethanol. In this way, IUPAC names for the monosubstituted benzenes are given. Next point we are going to see IUPAC nomenclature of disubstituted benzene. Now in case of disubstituted benzene, there are 3 positions. That is, if there is isomeric forms of benzene are present, substituted benzene are present, then they have 3 positions. For example, if we take example of this disubstituted benzene, now here first we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this substituted benzene or disubstituted benzene have 3 position. Now look here, 1, 2, 1, 2. These 2 positions are similar. They are called as ortho position. This 6th position is also ortho position. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now these 2 positions are similar. Therefore it is meta position. That is carbon number 3 and carbon number 5 is meta position. And 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 position is para position. Now here substituted benzene have 3 position, ortho, meta and para. Ortho position is present at carbon number 2 and carbon number 6. Meta position is present at carbon number 3 and carbon number 5, and para position is present at carbon number 4. Now here, in case of disubstituted benzene, only ortho, meta, para are used when common names are given. But in case of IUPAC nomenclature, numbers are used. Now we are going to see, or we can understand this by using some examples. Now in this case, these are 3 isomeric forms of dichlorobenzene. That is, here there are, that is molecular formula of these 3 compound is C6H4Cl2. That is, all 3 compounds have similar molecular formula, but their structural formula is different. Therefore, they are isomers of each other. Now here, the position of chlorine is changed in each case. First example. Now in this case, this benzene is bonded to 2 chlorine. Now we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here at 1 position there is chlorine, at 3 position there is chlorine. That is, it is 1,3 dichlorobenzene. That is, at 1 and 3 position there are 2 chlorine, therefore it becomes 1,3 dichlorobenzene. But common name or trivial name of this compound is meta dichlorobenzene. Now here for meta you can also write M dichlorobenzene, that is meta dichlorobenzene. Now here why meta is written? Because here if we consider this is 1 number carbon atom, then 1, 2, 3 at meta position there is chlorine. If we consider this is 1 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 at meta carbon atom there is chlorine. Therefore it becomes meta dichlorobenzene. Now second example. In this case, if we take this 1 number carbon atom and this is 2 number carbon atom, then it becomes 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. And IUPAC, this is the IUPAC name, but common name of this compound is orthodichlorobenzene. This is IUPAC name, orthodichlorobenzene. Now next example. Now here 1, 2, 3 and 4. At 1 carbon atom there is chlorine, at 4 carbon atom there is chlorine. This is para position, and at 1, 4 position there are 2 chlorine, therefore it is 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. Common name for this compound is para dichlorobenzene. Now next one, here. Now this benzene ring is bonded to bromine and iodine. Now here there are 2 different substituents are present. Then in this case the name is given alphabetically. Now here there is bromine, here there is iodine. Therefore we write 1, 2, 3, 4. Alphabetically B comes first, then I comes. Therefore give numbering from the bromine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It becomes 1 bromo, 4 iodo, benzene. Common name for this compound is para bromo iodobenzene. Then next one, here, 1, 2, 3. Alphabetically, chloro comes first. This is nitro group, this is chloro group. Alphabetically, chloro comes first. Therefore, we write 1 chloro, 3 nitro, benzene. This is IUPAC name. For common name, it becomes metachloro nitrobenzene. Now this example, in this case, if we remove this chlorine, then it becomes aniline. Therefore, name of this compound is, first we write IUPAC name, then common name, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it becomes 2-chloroaniline. And common name is orthochloroaniline. Now this one. Now here, if we remove this NO2 group, that is nitro group, it becomes toluene. And at the meta position of this CH3 group, there is NO2 group. And at 3 position, there is NO2 group. Therefore, it becomes 3-nitrotoluene or metanitrotoluene. And last one. Now, if we remove this Br, then it becomes phenol. Therefore, name of this compound is 4-bromophenol. And IUPAC name, common name for this compound is para-bromophenol. In this way, IUPAC names for disubstituted benzene are given. Next point, we are going to see IUPAC nomenclature of trisubstituted benzene. Now here, in case of trisubstituted benzene, the IUPAC names are given by giving numbering in alphabetical order. Now we are going to understand this by using some examples. First example, now here, this is benzene ring which is bonded to 3 similar groups, that is bromine. Now here we are going to give number from that carbon atom which are nearer to each other. 1, 2, that is these 2 branching are nearer to each other. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here it becomes 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene. 1, 2, 4. At 4 position there is bromo group, therefore it is becomes 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene. 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene. Now in this case, now here there is chlorine NO2 group and NO2 group, that is nitro group. Alphabetically chlorine comes first, therefore we write here 1, 2 and 3, 4. At 2 and 3 position there are nitro group and at 1 position there is chloro group, therefore it becomes 1 chloro 2, 4 dinitrobenzene. Now next, third one. Here there is bromine. This is 1 position, 2, 3, 4. Now at 4 position there is bromo, 4 bromo, 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. Now this example, first give numbering from methyl group 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here it is at 1 position there is methyl group, at 2 position there is chlorine and at 4 position there is nitro group. Therefore we write alphabetically Cl come first, therefore we write 2 chloro 1-methyl 4-nitrobenzene. Now this example, if we remove this NO2 and Cl group, it becomes phenol. Therefore, we write the name of this compound is now 1, 2, 3, 4. At 2 position there is chloro group. At 4 position there is nitro group. Therefore, it becomes 2-chloro 4-nitrophenol. Now this example. Now here, if we remove this Br, all these 3 Br, then it becomes aniline. That is, benzene ring is attached to only NH2 group, then it becomes aniline. Now first give numbering from the end, from the NH2 group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At 2, 4, 6 position there is bromine. Therefore it becomes 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. Now if we remove this Cl and CH3, then it becomes anisole. That is, if benzene ring is attached to OCH3 group, then it becomes anisole. Then give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. At 2 position there is chloro. At 4 position there is methyl group. Therefore it becomes 2-chloro 4-methyl anisole. In this way, IUPAC names for tri-substituted benzene are given. Homework for you. Write IUPAC names for the following compounds.